In this video, we take a look at the all-in-one carousel for Divi and its compatibility with Divi 5 theme. Before I share about the Divi 5 update, let me give you a quick overview about this plugin. All-in-one carousel for Divi is a plugin by Divi Extended that includes multiple carousels all inbuilt in one single plugin. We have carousel for image, we have carousel for content, we have a blog carousel, a card carousel, theme, testimonial carousel, we have portfolio, we have timeline carousel, we have product carousel, logo, pricing carousel, and flipbox as of now. So these are all the features which are available that you could use to create stunning interactive sections on your website. We will go forward and check out the Divi 5 compatibility. How are we making progress with this plugin for Divi 5? So let's get started. First, I will go to the product page. On Divi Extended, once you are on the product page of all-in-one carousel for Divi, you will notice this Divi 5 progress. There is another button, Launch Live Demo, which is for the real-time experience of the plugin with Divi 4 version. But if you're looking for getting a hands-on Divi 5 and check out the functionality, this page contains the information. So this is the Divi 5 progress page where we have listed all the products which are compatible with Divi 5, and some of them are still being worked on, so it's coming soon. In our case, we are looking for all-in-one carousel for Divi. And here is our demo for all-in-one carousel for Divi, compatible with Divi 5 themes, page builder interface. Let's go and add our first module in Divi 5 page builder and check out the interface and see how it works. Let's look for DE. So the modules for all-in-one carousel for Divi starts with DE, the name. So you can just figure it out. The blog, card, image, and other carousels available. These are the one you would be able to add your page and configure it and create respective carousels using these modules. Let me cover the blog carousel first. We add the module and it will give us the interface. This is the settings panel for controlling it, and we have the available layouts for blogs. So there are 4 currently. You can just check out any one you prefer, and you can have it to display your blog post. There are other settings you would be able to experience in the Divi 5 environment with a very quick and fast response. You would also be able to check out for other modules. For example, we have some products created. So we're going to go and add some product carousel for WooCommerce. Here is the product carousel. In this case, we're displaying 4 products, and we will be able to tweak the change here and customize it to your requirement using the Divi 5 page builders editing experience. And this is how we can work with the modules, add them on a page, and customize them. So these are the CPT based modules. You would also be able to work with some non-CPT based modules of this plugin and add content in real time. So we'll take a look at that as well. Let's take the logo. So DE logo carousel is what I'm going to add now. And it's asking me to add the logo. So we go here and add some images. Okay, I think we can repeat it. I'll use this one. And we can replicate it. Further, we can change the settings to display other elements or customize it as per our requirement using the standard Divi editing interface. You can make any change you prefer from the setting panel here. You can also go to individual item and work on the design settings and the content setting for each of these. And once it's done, you can just simply close it and experience your page. So this is our carousel. We added a blog carousel, a product, and then a logo carousel. We can experience other modules as well. There are many that you can try and see how it works. So this is pricing table. You'd be able to add different pricing elements and create a nice pricing table. Just like this, you can also experience all of these available features in the all-in-one carousel for TV. So the timeline and so many other things. Everything just works as normal. And this is the DV5 based interface for this plugin. Divi All-in-One Carousel is ready to be used with DV5. We'll continue to make it better by fixing bugs and updating it to make it more compatible with DV5 as we make progress. Give it a try by visiting the product page on dvextended.com and check out the DV5 progress. We appreciate your time and have a happy DV5 journey with DV Extended.